Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer with hops. First, ensure you have all your brewing equipment ready, including a large brew kettle, a fermenter, and a reliable sanitizing solution. Next, choose your ingredients: a good quality malt extract, your preferred yeast strain, and the specific hop varieties that will define your beer's flavor and aroma. Remember, proper sanitation is crucial. Clean and sanitize everything that will touch your wort or beer to avoid spoilage. Hops play different roles depending on when you add them. Bittering hops, with their higher alpha acid content, are added at the beginning of the boil and cooked for 60 minutes to provide bitterness. Flavor hops go in during the middle of the boil, typically for 20 to 30 minutes, to impart their unique characteristics. Finally, aroma hops are added in the last 5 to 10 minutes, or even during dry hopping, to give your beer a vibrant, fresh fragrance. Once your water is boiling, add your malt extract and your bittering hops, letting them simmer for a full 60 minutes. This long boil extracts the bitterness you want. With about 20 minutes left in the boil, it's time to add your flavor hops. Then, in the final 5 minutes, introduce your aroma hops. After the boil, quickly cool your wort to pitching temperature, ideally around 68 degrees Fahrenheit, before transferring it to your sanitized fermenter. After cooling, pitch your chosen yeast into the wort and seal your fermenter with an airlock. Let it ferment for 1 to 2 weeks at a consistent temperature, usually between 65 and 70 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing the yeast to convert sugars into alcohol. Once fermentation is complete, you can bottle or keg your beer. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Condition your beer for a few weeks to let the flavors mature before you enjoy your homemade brew.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.